which is prepared at a point of time, whereas income statement is for a period. Now see over here, diagrammatically you can see that balance sheet on February 28, 2002 is one, balance sheet on 31st March 2002 is another. If a business concern has earned something, the income statement will be formed in between these 2 months to know what we have earned in 1 month, whereas the balance sheet will be the statement at 2 points only. Further again, for the month of April, we can prepare the income statement. So income statement represents a period, whereas the balance sheet represents a particular point of time. Okay. So analytical power of the balance sheet equation. The balance sheet equation can highlight the link between income statement and balance sheet. What is the balance sheet equation? Assets is equal to liabilities plus equities. What are these? These are nothing but assets. Assets is equal to liabilities plus equities. So this is the accounting equation. Okay. There is again that thing only. So the further learning objective is distinguish between accrual basis of accounting and cash basis. Just now we have learned something about accrual basis. Accrual basis means you have spent something when it will be called that you have spent as soon as the work is done. You have employed some person for a month. If you have not paid him cash, still it will be called that expense has been done. But in cash system, expense will be treated to be done at the time when the cash is paid. For example, you leave the job after 1 month without taking any salary. No cash is paid to you. If the cash system is maintained, no expense is being done. But in case if accrual system is there, it is assumed to be accrued at the moment you have joined the business and 1 month has completed. Even 1 day is completed, just a day's salary accrues to you. Okay, but actually what the thing is, these all things are bound by some HR policies, isn't it? Some bonds and all everything which are being followed by the company. So don't take it on that way, but you can take it like that. If a person, for example, घर में काम वाली बाई को रखा, झाड़ू पोछा लगा रही है, तो वो भी क्या है, एक्सपेंस हो गया है अगर एक्रूअल सिस्टम मानते हैं. If we treat it as a cash system, expense will be treated to have occurred at the time when we have paid the actual cash. Getting? The accrual basis of accountant recognizes revenues and expenses when they occur instead of when cash is received or disbursed. Okay, while in case of cash basis, when cash is received or you have paid cash at that moment of time, expense is to be done or revenue is to be realized. Okay, the same is the case with revenue also. जैसा खर्चे में है वैसा इनकम में भी. वो पॉइंट जो अपने आप में कैश आ जाता है तो तुम सोचते हैं कि तब इनकम हुआ, कब कैश सिस्टम. ओके, दिस इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन कैश एंड accrual system. Accrual basis is the principal conceptual framework for relating accomplishments revenues with the efforts. It relates with the efforts, whereas cash matches the expenses with the revenue that properly measures the financial position. Okay, the efforts which has been done may or may not be quantified, but efforts are efforts, isn't it? So it will be matched in case of revenue system, while in case of cash, only cash disbursement or received or paid is measured. So the now next objective will be relate the measurement of expense to the expiration of assets. Now what happens? Have you heard about depreciation? Depreciation. I am skipping some slides because again it will be too lengthy. So it's a very lengthy thing which I have prepared for you, but still time is short because I was late for an hour in the morning. So what is depreciation?
The cost of the equipment will be reduced year by year.
I say it is a function of usage and passage of time. Usage of the asset and passage of time. What's your name, sir?
Ankur Shah.
For example, Ankur Shah has purchased a Mercedes Benz of rupees 50 lakhs, brand new. Okay, and now this car he never drives. Why? Because it's Mercedes Benz खरोच नहीं आता है. He used to get the car out of his garage and again put it inside the garage. Okay, 50 lakhs car. After all, रोज ही जो है नाई से साफ करते हैं उसको मर्सिडीज बेंज है. ऑफ कोर्स कोई भी करेगा, है ना, मैं भी करूँगा, सही ना. अब है क्या कि सर व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Satish Vijay.
Satish ji is living just near to Ankur Shah's place. He daily sees